In this video, we discuss the LM2576 Switching Regulator IC, a popular and efficient power management solution widely used in embedded and industrial applications. Welcome to Polonium Technologies. What is LM2576? The LM2576 is a monolithic DC-to-DC step-down or buck switching regulator. It's designed to provide an efficient and reliable regulated output voltage while reducing power loss and heat compared to traditional linear regulators. It can deliver up to 3 amps of output current, making it ideal for powering microcontrollers, sensors, and other electronics that need a stable supply. Here are the main features you should know about the LM2576. Input voltage range, 7 to 40 volts. Fixed output options, 3.3V, 5V, 12V, and adjustable versions. High efficiency, up to 88%. Low dropout and low standby current. Internal frequency, 52 kHz for reliable switching. Built-in thermal shutdown and current limit protection. These features make the LM2576 both efficient and durable for long-term use in power supply designs. Now let's go over the pinout of the LM2576. Pin 1, Input, VIN. Connect your unregulated DC supply here. Pin 2, Output, Vout. This pin provides the regulated output voltage. Pin 3, Ground, GND. Common reference point for input and output. Pin 4, Feedback, FB. Used in the adjustable version to set the output voltage. Pin 5, On-Off Control. Allows the regulator to be turned on or off using logic control. How LM2576 works. The LM2576 uses a buck converter topology, which means it steps down a higher DC voltage to a lower level using a switching transistor, diode, and inductor. During operation, the internal switch rapidly turns on and off, controlling the current through the inductor. This switching action stores and releases energy efficiently, providing a smooth and stable output voltage with much less heat compared to traditional linear regulators. Here's a simple example of how the LM2576 is used in a DC-to-DC buck converter circuit. You'll have an input capacitor for filtering, an inductor and diode for switching, and an output capacitor to smooth the voltage. You can also use the adjustable version with a resistor divider to set a custom output voltage. This setup efficiently powers different electronic modules or systems from a higher voltage source. Applications. Now let's talk about where the LM2576 is commonly used. You'll find it in DC-to-DC step-down power converters, Arduino, ESP32, and Raspberry Pi power supplies, battery chargers, automotive and industrial control systems, and embedded electronics projects. It's a go-to choice whenever you need efficient voltage regulation with minimal heat loss. So that's the overview of the LM2576 Switching Regulator IC, a compact, efficient, and reliable solution for DC-to-DC conversion in modern electronics. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Polonium Technologies for more electronics tutorials and component breakdowns.